First of all, let me start off by saying that none of you guys got the intake guess right from the previous video. So that was pretty hilarious to see. I see there was a bunch of guesses for like IE intake, CTS turbo, things like that, but no one actually got it right. So without further ado, here is the new intake for my Mark 7 GTI. Enjoy the video. Alright, so here we have our MST intake stuff. Here's the air filter, MST engravings there on that plastic. Yeah, it's not too bad. This looks cool. Powder coated black. A little bit of an overspray on the inside there though. You see that? It's not really gonna matter too much anyway. Someone's gonna see the inside. Overall, feels like a good quality piece. I can definitely see this kind of keeping the temps a little bit lower with this wrinkled black finish here. Your standardized clamps. There's a couple little screws that come inside the box. I'm not going to show you the tiny screws, there's no point. Here we have this little insulator rubber piece here that goes for like the factory inlet air scoop. And this is just like the box or chamber, whatever you want to call it. Grill right here. I guess better flow or just more sound. And then this is the hole that the intake filter would feed through. Overall, feels like a quality piece. It's not too bad. I was really happy with my MST turbo inlet and silicone hose, so I decided just to give this one a try and just kind of complete the whole set of this. Should sound pretty damn good. Let's go and get it installed. Everything is finished, bolted up. Just gotta put back the inlet cover, put this cover on. I'm gonna run without the cover though to keep it open top and get more swoosh sounds for you guys. Pause. Now I know the next question. Hey Jules, how come you didn't get the IE intake? Hey Jules, the IE intake is the best sounding one. Hey Jules. I know guys, I know. I really wanted the IE intake myself, but I couldn't seem to find one. It was either on back order or seller deals kind of just fell through the roof. They stopped replying or they said it's already been sold. Another reason why I got the MST, however, is because it's one of the best flowing intakes there is on the market. If you were to look at my Golf Mark 7's online page here, I'm not sure if you watch these videos, man, but if you do, big shout out to you and everything that you do. I appreciate it. But if you look on this page here, the MST is rated at the top. It has a rank of 401 cubic feet per minute, while your IE intake is rated at 393 cubic feet per minute. It's definitely a little bit more than the IE intake. Now, are you going to feel that on the road? Definitely not. It's so close. It's very negligible. But if you're looking for the highest performing, the max airflow you can get, probably the MST is going to be the one you're going to want to look at. If you were to look a little bit below that, those guys who say, you know, adding an intake doesn't do anything and you're just wasting money, well, one, you get sound. Two, if you look at that purple bar there, that's your modified stock airbox. So that's your drop-in filter with the MST turbo inlet pipe and silicone hose. That's the same exact setup that I had before this full intake system, and that's rated at 383. So from 383 to 401, it's still a noticeable jump. I do feel like turbo spool has decreased just a slight bit, so that's always a plus. If you were to look at the very bottom of that graph though, that green bar, that's your completely stock unmodified airbox. That's rated at 336. So it's about a 19% gain over the stock intake system for the Mark 7. Again, big shout out to My Golf Mark 7 for providing this information on his website. Definitely check out his other stuff. He has a lot of cool different test results listed on there. The last reason why I really like this intake is because you can either run it open or close. If it's a warm day out, you can just close it up, put the drills on top, seal it up, and it'll kind of keep the warm air from the top of the engine bay from getting soaked up in there in that intake. Or if you just want all the whooshy sounds, just pop it off and it's boost weather time, you can do that and you can get away with it. It's multi-function. It just makes the most sense. So you kind of get an idea of what it sounds like. I don't really hit the turbo all that well. Alright guys, let's get some intake noise on here. Just kind of ease into it a little bit. That sounds so good. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and hear what that intake sounds like from in cabin. This is with the open lid, no top. Let's go ahead and get on it. And it's so much louder. Wow. That's like partial throttle, not even getting on it fully, and you could just hear it spool up. Oh man, I like this. I love it. There's an STI behind this. It spools up pretty damn quick too. Woo. Man, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. And final thoughts. So what can we say about the MST intake? Well, this thing gets pretty damn loud. You can definitely turn some heads coming down the street just by tapping into boost just a little bit. You hear a lot more turbo spool. I do like that you can run it either open or closed, so that's always nice. You can keep temperatures a little bit cooler. You can also keep the intake a little bit quieter if you keep it with a closed box. I do like how everything bolts up pretty well with the wrinkled black. I also like that it's one of the highest flowing intakes. Some of the cons, I would say it's not as loud as the IE V2 intake, but it comes pretty damn close. I feel like the IE is just a tad bit louder and you get a little bit more grunt on the low end. I also wish that it came with the Allen key for the cover screws. I'm not sure why they wouldn't include that. You'll have to get one from your own kit or order one if you don't have it to install that cover. Other than that, everything else is pretty good. Would I recommend this intake? Absolutely. It's a super simple install. It's nice that you can run it either with the turbo inlet and silicone hose with the stock airbox, or you can get the full MST intake system. So you can kind of play around with it, switch it back and forth, add the cover top, and yeah, just have fun with it, guys. Anyways, if you made it this far through the video, definitely appreciate it. Make sure to give the video a like because it really helps out the channel. If there's any type of videos you guys would like to see next, definitely comment down below. If you have any questions, also comment down below. I'll be reading all your comments, and yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.